Hello, I'm going to show you how to complete your break even. Okay, what I've done is I've helped you out by putting the break even on a spreadsheet for you because I'm just so nice. Okay, right, so break even data for your P4 and P5. So key things here that you need to know about is fixed costs at 8,000, variable cost per item is £5. So remember what fixed costs are. Fixed costs are things like rent, rates, things that don't change every month. So if you were making burgers in a factory, your factory costs of running your factory, your heat, your light, your rent, your rate, your insurance would all be fixed. Your variable costs for your burgers would be your meat, your the buns and the salad that goes in it. Okay, so the variable cost per item doesn't change. Okay, and then the selling price stays the same. And the idea is to calculate where your fixed costs are. Now I'm going to do the first few lines for you because I'm really nice to you, and then you can do the rest yourself. So because it's a spreadsheet, okay, so we know our fixed costs are the same. And actually what I'm going to do is I'm going to copy that all the way down. Remember what I said to you about copying? You just find the black dot and go all the way down. Your variable cost per item, okay, remember I've shown you how to do your equals, and here it's your variable cost, so you need to click on the number of units sold times by, the times for me is up at the little star above my 8, so it's times by 5, and of course because you haven't sold any it's 0. And then if I pull that formula down, can you see if I sell 50 the variable cost per item goes up for 250, £5 per item. Okay then, so here the total costs are, so if I press equals fixed cost plus us, so there we go, and then drag that formula down and you're ready to go. So this is total sales, which means the amount of units you sell, which is this column here, times by the selling price, and we know the selling price is £25. So do me equals again. Okay, number of units sold, click on that, find my little star, and times by £25 is the selling price. Okay, and then fill that all out. Okay, so below here is, oh, I'm just too nice to you. Identify the break-even formula. Fixed costs and price minus variable cost. That's often called a contribution because it's a contribution to cover the fixed costs, and that's the whole thing about doing a break-even. Is it's how many do you need to sell before you're going to cover your costs? Okay, so in this instance, what we're doing is our fixed cost we know at 8,000. We know our price is, you need to do equals 25 minus, then the variable cost, remember, was £5 minus 5. Okay, and then, so all you do, and you don't need to be a very good mathematician to know that you break even, because what you do is you divide your 20 into 800, and I'm not going to tell you the answer because I've given you enough. Then you need to, so it says complete the table above and then present the break-even as an annotated graph. I've done you a video of how to do that. Whatever you do, and I'll put a notice on here, you need to make sure that you label all the axes. The horizontal is the units sold. The vertical is the sales. You need to put the straight line in for the fixed cost and label that. You need to plot the sales, and then you need to plot the total costs. And there's another video for that. So I hope that's helped you. Watch both of these and then please give me in your P4 and your P5. Done. Ba-boom.